Hey guys, so like I was saying, we've never had a drone before, so this will be a totally new experience for me. So I'm going to unpack this bad boy and see what it's all about. So there it is right there. Quite small, quite compact. Camera on the front. Got the controller. Instruction manual. Looks to be a charger cord. Some guards for the blades, propellers. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing to fly. Okay, so that was fun, but I obviously need lots of practice still flying that drone. I just spent some time flying around the campground, but with all the trees and other obstacles in the way, I wasn't really able to do a great deal of flying here. So I'd like to take it down to the beach where it's wide open space, no trees, no obstacles, and it should be fun to kind of fly it out over the water and get some practice in down there. Okay, so that was very cool and very fun, but I obviously lack some skills to work this thing the way it could be worked. So I'm going to have to work on my flying abilities. But I think after a little practice, should be able to get some pretty cool aerial shots. Hey guys, the beaches here at Gulf Shores is absolutely beautiful. It's white sand, got palm trees all along the dunes, nice blue water. Part of the boardwalks are amazing. Lots and lots of cycling to be done here. Can't wait to get started.
How could I know what lies ahead of me? Am I part of a grand master plan?
It's always dangerous trying to bike one-handed, hold the camera in the other hand, but I'm going to try to navigate these boardwalks.
Into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Someday is certain of what awaits them when it all ends, but I don't know what will happen.
I'm loving these boardwalks. They're amazing. Great for walking, biking, you name it. You can cover the entire park on these boardwalks.
Some have a great look that covers the magazines for kids who are 17, but I don't know what to do. Staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. They are certain of what awaits them.
You just can't get enough of these white sand beaches. They're absolutely gorgeous. Much like the beaches we saw in Destin, Florida last winter. Gorgeous. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous.
Will I be remembered in this century, or will
normally this time of day we might be out hiking, cycling, running, but not today. It's kind of a crappy, rainy, cold, damp day outside, so instead we're sitting inside, just relaxing, just chilling, drinking some Baileys with a splash of coffee, watching TV, and Instagramming. So I don't know, maybe we'll do something more active tomorrow, or maybe not. We'll see. Hey guys, it's another dark, dreary day in the neighborhood, so we thought good day to do some shopping. Not really sure what else might transpire, so we thought you might want to hop in, come along with us for the ride, in case if there's anything worthwhile to shoot. Hey guys, we got a nice mild sunny day. Actually a mix of sun and clouds, so it's just about perfect. Do some biking, not really sure where we're going just yet. So we're just going to go out, hit the open road, see where it takes us. Hopefully we'll get in 20 or 30 kilometers by the time we're done. And hopefully get a little footage along the way. And here I go again, trying to bike one-handed, hold on to the camera with the other hand. Lots of potential here for wiping out, face plants, getting run over, you know, all that fun stuff. So hopefully this will work out, not end up in some sort of disaster. Yes, that would be a flat tire, which kind of sucks. But at the same time, I'm surrounded by palm trees, white sand beaches. Could be worse. No idea where Sheila went to. She's down the road there somewhere. So, a little quick changes and get on the road, and hopefully I can catch up to her before too long. that's fixed. And we're back at the campground. We're 40 kilometers in total. Pretty good ride. Even considering the little roadside servicing I needed to do back there, that flat tire. It's a good ride. Beautiful scenery. Lots of palm trees, lots of white sand beaches. Love it. Another fabulous day, Gulf Shores, Alabama. We're heading out right now to do a little bit of hiking on the Alligator Marsh Trail. Not sure what to expect. Sort of expecting alligator, but we'll see when we get there. Okay, so we're about halfway through the Alligator Marsh. Still no sign of alligators, but we'll persevere. Just, you know, we are risking life and limb here. We're doing it for your benefit, so I hope you appreciate that. Oh, we finished the alligator trail. No sign of anything.
No gators.
No gators today. Try again another day. Maybe we'll have better luck. Well, it's a gorgeous evening tonight here at Gulf Shores State Park. We're just sitting on the beach, relaxing, chilling, and watching the sun go down. Beautiful night for a sunset. Hey guys, since this is Christmas Eve, we're just chilling, watching some Christmas shows and having some snacks, so I thought this would be a good time as any just to call it for this video. So we'll catch you next week. Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!